I picked the red guy because he's tougher.
The red guy is the toughest? Alright, Jakes.
Now this is my dance. Go, Bellwinter! Do it now!
There you go.
This is the Bunsen accent. Come on.
Jeez.
Going around.
Get him, Jakes. Oh.
If somebody comes to my way, I will box. This is the boxing one.
Beast mode.
Beast mode.
Turn around. Watch out. Beast mode. Beast mode.
Hey look, is that funny? He's walking and he's fighting. I got wet.
You're beasted out.
Come on.
Oh.
Nope, I'm not dying yet.